finally caught my breath. New Orleans relies heavily on tourism, as you guys know, and especially the people who provide services for those tourists, the hospitality sector. We are joined by David Francis of Verite News and Tonia Moore from Ochsner to tell us about a free healthcare fair for almost 80,000 people in that hospitality industry, and it's going on right now.
That's correct. So today is the day for the Hospitality Health Fair. We're partnering with the New Orleans and Company to host this event. So Ochsner, along with other health providers here in the city, are providing a gambit of services for hospitality workers and tourism industry for free. So
it's a totally free event. Folks can go and get checked out for a variety of different ailments. One thing that really stood out to me when we were talking about this last week was that last year there were 2 people who needed to be transported via ambulance because whatever they had going on was that serious. This year, y'all got the EMTs on, at the ready.
Yes.
Just in case that happens again.
Yes, and that just goes to show a lot of why these services and types of events are needed, because a lot of times people go without going to the physician or their routine health care, and these are just some of the findings that we see at these type of events.
Especially in the hospitality sector, when folks are working so hard, they're not making time for themselves. David, why is it so important for Verite News to be a part of this?
Verite News is, this is the second event that we've been a part of, and we just think that part of our service to the community is not only to inform them, but also offer them opportunities to improve their health, mental health, their economic situations. And we thought this was a great opportunity, along with Ochsner, LCMC, and 504 HealthNet, along with Inclusive Care, and a number of other sponsors and partners, to provide something to the community that we know is an absolute need and a value.
Yeah, absolutely. I heard that there were not only health services there, but stuff to get you ready for hurricane season, information to talk to folks about being safe around water, things like that. So a lot of great information there. That isn't even just health information. There's just a lot of good information at this fair.
Yeah, very true. You'll have 100 nurses and also, providers, medical providers there, who will be offering things like, with smoking cessation, for example. We think all of those things are part of a healthy lifestyle. And all those things are part of trying to make this community, I think, a healthier community as a whole, and providing those opportunities. Because when you think about it, we're in the midst of hurricane season. We've seen extremely warm weather, which really can make for a very, very dangerous hurricane season. So allowing people to be prepared and giving them the information that they need is extremely important.
Absolutely. Tonia, as far as health is concerned, it really is so important to get that, what we call preventative care,
yes,
right? To find things before they're a big problem.
I agree. And one of the things that we like to push is know your numbers, because that tells a lot of what's going on. So it's important to know your blood pressure numbers, your glucose, where you stand on some of the other items as well. So we think this is a great opportunity. And not only that, we have our cancer services team there today, as well as, I understand, there are some Narcan education. Right. So with the hospitality and tourism industry, they see so much.
Yeah.
And so sometimes they need to be prepared and educated on how to handle what's happening around them.
Absolutely. And I think, this sounds so amazing. I think it's worth mentioning again that this is a free fair happening today with all of these services that you guys just described. This is going all the way through 5 p.m. this evening, yes, giving those hospitality workers a chance. They often work odd hours, so giving them a chance to kind of get off, get where they need to be, and maybe come check out this fair as well.
And that's how it's designed. So pre-shift or post-shift, we're trying to catch everyone who works either early morning or late night hours.
Yeah, and we also remember, too, that it's at the Fillmore, so we don't forget to tell you that. And there's free parking at the Whale Lot, and there'll be transportation to bring you back and forth. So we're trying to make it as convenient as possible for everyone to attend. And again, it's focusing towards hospitality workers, but it's a very broad umbrella when you think about it. You've got musicians, you've got engineers, you've got people who also do not have the same access. So they're all invited, regardless of where they live.
And if available, bring your spouse. spouse as well. Bring your friends and family, because this is a really great event with a lot of opportunity to learn and to find out about yourself too.
And it was a great event last year, and I know right now some of your team members are there getting shots, and it's going to be another great event. And we heard so many great stories, and you know, even though we had the 2 ER visits, it was something that was caught in time, right?
That's what I'm saying. I thought that was an amazing testament to why we need fairs like this, and that you guys did a really wonderful thing in bringing it back again this year. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. All right, coming up after the break, I'll have a quick check on weather, so stick around.
On the next Investigate TV Plus, reports of Apple AirTags being used to track people, and we examine ways to protect yourself.
The only safe version of an AirTag is an AirTag that's being pulled from the market.
Plus, how Apple is responding to concerns and why some critics say it's not enough.
During the Rooms to Go July 4th mattress sale, great sleep comes in pairs. Choose from 2 great brands, Serta and Therapeutic. Buy one any size, get